Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew women's boxer shorts. The link to the pattern is in the description below the video. To make this tutorial you will need a stretchy jersey fabric, a 5 cm wide elastic band, pattern printed to your size. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise. Pin the pattern to the wrong side of the fabric as shown in the cutting diagram. Cut the pieces. Before removing the pattern, transfer the markings shown on the pattern to the fabric. Place the side of one of the front panel on the front curve of the shorts right sides together. And the side of the second front panel on the same curve of the shorts right side on wrong side. Stitch the curve 1 cm from the edge. Place the second side of the outer front panel on the second front curve of the shorts right sides together. Then roll up the shorts and place the inner front panel around the rolled up shorts so that you can place the side of the inner panel on the same curve of the shorts right side on wrong side. Stitch the curve 1 cm from the edge. Flip the shorts inside out, pulling them out from between the front panels. Make 2 parallel top stitches on either side of the front panel. The first at 2 mm from the seam and the second at 5 mm from the first. Fold the shorts in half, placing the back curves right sides together. Stitch the curve 1 cm from the edge. Mark the center of the front panels. Place the front panel on the back of the crotch right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch the curve 1 cm from the edge. Fold the waistband in half right sides together and stitch the side 1 cm from the edge. Cut an elastic band to the length of the waistband. Fold in half and stitch the side 1 cm from the edge. Fold the waistband in half lengthwise and place the elastic inside the waistband, matching the seams. Mark the middles of the top of the shorts and of the waistband. Place the waistband on the top of the shorts, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Make marks all around the legs, 2 cm from the edge. Fold the legs 2 cm from the edge. And stitch at 1.5 cm using a twin needle. Iron the seams. Your shorts are ready. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments or contact me on social media.